Whatever happened to building movements? Whatever happened to building movements, huh? Whatever happened to building movements? Whatever happened to building movements? Some try to do it but don't even own their music. Caliente, I be dripping with the hot sauce. Put it on the rap out the pot cause they not raw. Hit the stage, rip the spot, gotta pop off. A+, they want the encore, knock the socks off. Remember back in the days before the heavy head. Dropped a lot of tears, the blood sheds cherry red. Take a moment for the loved ones who's very dead. Go your merry way, I know you think about it every day. Through the tough times, you gotta be a soldier. And sometimes this world will try to mold you, but I ain't a preacher, so I ain't even gonna hold you. If you ever need it, could remember what I told you. And if you need it, could remember what I told you. Wondering if it's a demon or an angel. A demon or an angel, I heard it could be either if you peep it from an angle. But petty people got me getting like the old me. You hung around once, that don't mean that you the homie. I'm alone, but that don't mean I'm lonely. I don't talk on the phone, cause a lot of people phony. A lot of them are lonely. I can't let them hold me, that's just what my mama told me. And if you need it, could remember what I told you.